Hello everyone. This is going to be my reflection over the interactive gaming module. I think gamification of education is very important. It allows students to be able to put what they know to the test, and it's kind of good, especially for in the classroom if they're reviewing for an exam or for a test. It's a fun way to get the kids to remember exactly what they learned and how to begin studying for their exam. Some examples that I can think of, like in the future classroom, would be like Jeopardy. There's really good templates that were mentioned in the module, but I think you could also just kind of get creative with it and just look on websites that were mentioned in the module and just kind of go from there. Um, I think Jeopardy is probably the most common one. That's what I did, at least growing up in classrooms a lot of the times. It's just really fun. We got to get in groups, and then we were just tested, and then sometimes the winning group would be able to get like extra credit of like 5 points, which then if you missed a question on the test, then that made up for it. But there's all kinds of games that you can do, especially in elementary. You might want to stick with some simpler games that wouldn't confuse your students. In the upper elementary, you could probably even like do like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, just so it gets the kids involved and excited about what they're learning. The template that I used was the Internet for Kids. I think that was the name of it. And there were just so many different templates on there, and I was just like amazed. I did the Jeopardy one because I wanted to cover fourth grade vocabulary, and I thought it was good to have four different sections of vocabulary just so they have a wide range of understanding how to do that. I didn't have any problems. I think the only problem I could have had was I didn't know which one to use, and I started creating a Jeopardy game on the last gaming thing that it said, and that was like Jeopardy, and you did it online, and it was just a link, so it wasn't, you could put it in a PowerPoint. So I think that's the only problem I had. Once I was able to find a template, I kind of made it my own, and I created just my own version of it, and this module really helped me to just learn how to set up games on PowerPoints or even go to websites. Free websites are the best, especially for in the classroom. And so this module really taught me a lot, and I'm really grateful for everything I learned, and learning that gamification is very important in the classroom and can be used in many different ways. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all of the games that you guys put together.